Hello students, today in this video we will discuss about whole numbers, that is chapter number 2 of your textbook. In this video we will know what is a whole number, what are the properties of whole numbers, how to represent whole numbers on the number line and many more. So let's start with the name, that is whole number. So after hearing the whole number, one questions comes in our mind that what is a whole number, मतलब whole number क्या है. तो let us look at the board. All the natural numbers along with 0 are known as whole numbers. That means when we add 0 with the natural number, then these numbers are known as whole numbers. मतलब जब हम नेचुरल नंबर के साथ 0 ऐड कर देते हैं तो वही नंबर क्या होता है, वही नंबर होल नंबर हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0, 1, 2, 3 and like this the numbers will go on. So and 0 is the smallest whole number, as whole number starts from 0 and it is the first number, so it will be the what, it will be the smallest number. So 0 is the smallest whole number. So in knowing whole number, one what is there, that is all the natural numbers. So natural number क्या होता है, natural numbers, the number count which start from 1 आर नोन एज नेचुरल नंबर्स. मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है, जो नंबर्स 1 से शुरू होता है वही नंबर को हम क्या कहते हैं, वही नंबर को हम नेचुरल नंबर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 1, 2, 3, राइट. नाउ इन दिस केस द स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर इज व्हाट, इट इज 1 बिकॉज द नंबर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1, सो इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. So now let us know what are the properties of whole number. That is whole number का properties क्या है, कुछ नहीं है, उसके बारे में हम इस टॉपिक में जानेंगे. First one is the number 0 is the smallest and the first whole number. इसका मतलब क्या है, 0 सबसे पहला, first means okay, smallest means सबसे छोटा and first means पहला नंबर है, right. So let me write the whole numbers here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then like this. Look, the whole number starts from 0, right. So it is the first number, first whole number, and it is also the smallest whole number. The second is a natural number. All natural numbers are whole number. There will be all, sorry. All natural numbers are whole number, but all whole numbers are not natural number. इसका मतलब क्या है कि सारी नेचुरल नंबर्स क्या है, होल नंबर्स है, लेकिन सारे होल नंबर्स नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है. लुक हियर, होल नंबर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0, राइट, एंड नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1. देखो होल नंबर्स के अंदर सारे नेचुरल नंबर है ना, जो नंबर 1 से शुरू होता है वही है नेचुरल नंबर्स, और ये नंबर्स क्या हम होल नंबर्स के अंदर देख सकते हैं. लेकिन सारे होल नंबर्स क्या नेचुरल नंबर्स में होता है क्या, नहीं, क्योंकि 0 नेचुरल नंबर्स में नहीं होता है. सो ऑल होल नंबर्स आर नॉट नेचुरल नंबर्स, बट ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स आर होल नंबर. द थर्ड वन इज व्हाट, देयर इज नो लास्ट और ग्रेटेस्ट होल नंबर. इसका मतलब क्या है कि होल नंबर में सबसे लास्ट कोई नंबर होल नंबर नहीं और कोई ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर नहीं है, बिकॉज the whole number goes up to infinite. We cannot count the whole numbers. If we can count the whole numbers, that means if we could know which is the last number, we could say that this is the last number or this is the greatest whole number. Since we don't know which is the last number, since numbers are uncountable, so there is no last or greatest whole number. The fourth के adding 1 to a whole number give up its successor. इसका मतलब क्या है, जब हम होल नंबर पे 1 ऐड करते हैं, सपोज यहाँ पे suppose here we have taken the whole number 2. Now if we add 1 with this, now what will get, 2 plus 1 is how much, it is 3. So adding 1 to a whole number give up its successor. जब हम एक होल नंबर से 1 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आता है, उस नंबर का सक्सेसर आंसर होता है, राइट. सक्सेसर मीन्स द नंबर, राइट, the number which comes after the number, and and subtracting 1 gives us predecessor. And subtracting 1 gives us predecessor. This means that when we subtract 1 from a whole number, it gives us predecessor. Predecessor क्या होता है? जो नंबर पिछले वाला नंबर है वही नंबर आता है. सपोज नाउ फ्रॉम दिस इफ वी सब्सट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम 2, द नंबर द रिजल्ट विल बी व्हाट? द रिजल्ट विल बी 1. सो ये 2 का पिछला नंबर है ना, सो इसके लिए इसको प्रेडिसेसर बोलते हैं. और जो आफ्टर में आता है, दोज नंबर व्हिच कम्स आफ्टर दिस आर नोन एज सक्सेसर. सो यही 4 टॉपिक है तुम्हारी बुक में होल नंबर की प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में. सो टू नो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द होल नंबर्स, इफ वी ड्रॉ द नंबर्स ऑन द नंबर लाइन we could understand the better. So now our next topic is representation of whole numbers on the number line. So number line क्या होता है? Number line, from the word number line, can we say what is a number line? That means in a line we will plot some points. मतलब क्या है? एक लाइन नंबर्स का लाइन है, वही उसको क्या बोलते हैं? नंबर लाइन कहता है. So now how can we represent a number on the number line? So let us look at the board. First of all, to represent numbers on the number line, what we have to do? We have to draw a line. So I have drawn here a line now and mark a point O and on anywhere on the number line. So here we have marked point O. So then with taking same intervals, right, same distance, we will mark another points with the names A, B, C, D. Suppose here is O. Now taking same distance, suppose here I have taken what? 1 centimeter. I have marked another point, then another, like this. We have to mark, we can mark many points. Now we will name this with O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The distance between 2 points are known as what? Units. Suppose here OA, जितना है, जितना the length of OA is equals to length of AB, length of BC, सारे डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? सेम होगा. और इसके उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? उसको 1 यूनिट बोलेंगे. Since OA is the first unit, right, so here we will represent what? 1, and B is the AB is the second unit, here we will write 2, then there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like this we can plot our numbers on the number line. Okay, now from the number line we can conclude that there is no numbers on the left hand side of 0. 0 की लेफ्ट में कोई होल नंबर्स नहीं है, सारे के सारे होल नंबर्स 0 की राइट में होता है. और एक पॉइंट है, सपोज आई हैव टेकन हेयर ए पॉइंट, ए होल नंबर 2. उसका राइट वाला जो नंबर होगा ये क्या होगा? उससे एक बढ़कर होगा, मतलब वो नंबर सक्सेसर होगा. और जो पिछला वाला नंबर क्या होगा? एक से छोटा होगा. Suppose here 1 is predecessor of 2 and 3 is successor of 2. Okay. So now our next topic is what? Addition of whole numbers. In this topic we will know how to add whole numbers in the number line. So the easiest way to add whole number is that if we add whole numbers with number line, there will be no difficulty. So now let us first of all let us draw a whole number line. Suppose in this case we will add what? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 2. Now we will plot numbers on the number line. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So first of all what we will do? We will find out 4. Okay. First number is what? 4. Now first we will have to find out 4. Where is 4 in this number line? Yes, there is the 4, right? So here is our 4. Now next is what? Next is 2 plus 2. So we will jump 2 unit forward. Plus means what? We will go towards the right side. If it is minus, we will go towards the left side. As there is plus, we will go right side. As there is 2, so we will jump 2 unit. So from 4, look here, first one jump, then next second jump, that is I jumped 2 times, right? So how much? 4 plus 2 is the number where the jumping got finished is our the result. So here the number is what? 6. That means 4 plus 2 is how much? 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we'll add another 2 whole numbers on the number line. Okay, suppose we add 4 and 3, 4 plus 3. So to add whole numbers on the number line, what we have to do first? We have to draw a number line. So this is our number line. Now what we have to do? We have to plot numbers. So here first whole number is what? That is smallest whole number, it is 0. So first whole number 0, then 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here what is the first number? It is 4, right? So first we will find out where is 4. So our 4 is where? There, right? That means our 4 is there. Now next what we will do? How many jumps we will take? We will take 3 jumps from 4. Towards which side? Towards right side. So first jump 1, second jump and third jump. So what is the number? It is 7, right? So 4 plus 3 is how much? It is also 7. So our result is also 7. So by this we can represent the addition of whole numbers on a number line. Now we will know what subtraction of whole number. So in subtraction what it will be? I told you in addition that if there is plus sign we go towards right hand side. So if there is minus sign we will go towards left hand side, right? So first let us take these 2 examples. Here first one is 4 minus 2. Okay, for this we have to find what? We have to first find out where is 4. So 4 is there, right? Next what? Minus. So if there is minus we will go towards left hand side. So we will jump. How many jump we will take? We will take 2 jumps. That means first, second. So 4 minus 2 is what? The result is this one, where our jumping got finished. This is our result. So we also know that 4 minus 2 is 2. So here in the number line our jumping got finished at 2. So this is our result. Next 4 minus, okay, suppose another number, suppose let us take 6 minus 3. So in this case what we will do? We will first find out where is our 6. So here is 6, right? Next how many jump we will take towards left? We will take 3 jumps, right? So how many? 1 jump, 2, 3. So what is which one is the last? It is 3, and we know that 6 minus 3 is how much? 6 minus 3 is 3, right? हम यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं? जब जितना सेकेंड नंबर जितना होगा उतना ही जंप हम लेंगे नंबर के नंबर लाइन में. अगर वो यहाँ प्लस होगा तो हम टुवर्ड्स राइट जंप मारेंगे, और अगर यहाँ माइनस होगा तो टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट हम जंप मारेंगे, और जंप जहाँ ख़त्म होगा वही हमारा रिजल्ट होगा, दैट इज वही हमारा आंसर होगा. So this is our subtraction of whole numbers on the number line. So till now we have discussed addition of whole numbers, subtraction of whole numbers. Now our topic is what? Product of whole numbers. So that is, how can we represent, how can we multiply the whole numbers in a number line. So for this I have drawn here a number line from 0 to 1. Okay, so from 0 to 9. Now let us take an example. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equals how much? 3 into 2, it is 6, right. So in addition, what we have taken is, suppose for example 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. In addition, after seeing this first number, we have find out the first number, this number on the number line. So as there is 3, we have find out there 3. Then plus sign represent what? Will move towards right side of that number, and these 2 represent how many jumps we will take towards right. So here first we find out 3, then towards right side we take 2 jumps. Here first one jump, then second jump. That means our answer is what? 5. Now in multiplication, will this 3 represents what? This 3 represents length of unit. That means what? How much length will be the one length of, how much length will there will be, that means this 3 represents total length of the units. In this case we will not consider 3. In this case we will start from 0. Okay. So this 3 represents length of unit, and this 2 represents how many times. This 2 represents how many times. Okay. So here as 3, so we will take 3 units. 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is our first unit. That means this length is what? This is our 1 unit. Okay. Then how many times we will take this much length? 2 times. So our next 3 units is what? 1, 2, 3. So we have taken, look, 3 units 2 times. Here 1 time. Suppose here 1 time, and here another time, right? 3 units each. In this one jump we have covered 3 units. Look here, 1, 2, 3. In one jump we have covered 3 units. In next jump we covered another 3 units. So our result is what? 6. So and we also know 3 into 2 is how much? 3 into 2 is also 6. So like this we will multiply. Okay. Now let us take another example. 3 into 3. Suppose 3 into 3 how much? 3 into 3 9. So this 3 represent what? Length of unit. So length of unit will be what? 3. And how many? This 3 represents how many times? That is, in one jump we will cover. In one jump we will cover 3 units. So I will draw it towards downward. So in one jump we will cover 3 units. Here 1 unit, 3 units, then another jump, then another jump. So in 3 units we cover total 9 units. So our answer is also 9. So this is how we have done multiplication on the number line. So now we will solve our first exercise, that is exercise 2.1 of your textbook. So now let's move with our first exercise, first question of exercise 2.2. First question is what? Represent the following number on the number line. That means what? We have to represent 2, 3, 5, 11 and 14 on the number line. So to represent numbers on the number line, our first duty is what? We have to draw a number line. So here I have drawn a number line. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll plot numbers. That is from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now I have plot the numbers between 0 and 14. So here we have to find out where is 2. So there is 2, right? Next is what? 3. Next is what? 5. Next 7. Next 11, and the last is 14. This is very easy. Just you have to draw a number and give arrowhead, it's down. So this represent what? This is 2 in the number line, this 3, 5, 7, 11 and 14. Okay. Now our next question is what? Give successor of each of the following numbers. Successor मतलब क्या था? मैं starting में बताया. Successor means the number which come towards right, towards exact right of the number. Okay. So our first question is what? Give successor. Give successor of the following. So the number is 100909. 100909. So for finding the successor of this number, what we have to do? We have to just add 1 with this number. Now if we add 1 with this number, so let us see what comes the result. Suppose here I have added 1, right? The result will be what? 9 plus 1, 10. For 10, we'll put here 0 and 1 will go there, right? So 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Then 9, then 0, 0, 1. Here I have what I have done? I have added 1 with this number. So this number, that is 1,910 is what? Successor of 1,909. So how we'll write? We'll write successor, this is successor of 1,00909 is 1,00910. 1 tens, 100,000 and lakh. 1,09,000. Oh, sorry, 1,910. Okay. Now there are 2 modes. You solve yourself. If you don't, you can ask me. Okay. Now the third question is what? Give predecessor. Give predecessor of the following. First is what? Suppose 1000. 1000. In predecessor, what we do? We just subtract 1. Okay. Now here we will subtract 1. So 10 minus the 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we will carry 1. So if we carry here 1, it will be what? 10. That means 10 minus 1 is how much? 9. Here how much left? 9. Here how much left? 9. So our result will be what? 999, right? So we will write. The main thing is what? In predecessor we will just subtract 1 from the number, and in successor we will just 1 with the number, and then the result will be what? Successor and predecessor of the following. So in this case, what was the result? It was 999. So we will write predecessor of 1000 is 999. Now let us move to our fourth question. Draw a number line to represent each of the following on it. So here what we have to do? We have to represent in this question is what? 3 plus 2. Here what we will do? We will represent 3 plus 2 on the number line. Okay, I am just writing represent 3 plus 2 on number line. To represent addition of numbers, first thing is what? We have to draw a number line. So here I have drawn a number line, right? Next we have to plot numbers on the number line. First our smallest number is what? Smallest whole number, it is 0, right? Yes. So 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in addition, first these 3 represent what? We have to first find out these 3. Where is this 3 in the number? In this case, it is here, right? Then plus sign represent what? Plus sign represents whether we will move towards right side of 3. Then this 2 represents how many jump we will take. Then there is 2, we will take how many jump? We will take 2 jumps. So first we find out 3, then towards right side we will take how many jump? 2 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump. The result is what? 5. So this is our required number line. Okay. Now the fifth question is what? Represent 7 minus 2 on the number line. What we have to do? We have to represent 7 minus 2 on the number line. Okay. So for this also we have to draw a number line, right? Yeah, here I have drawn a number line. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So 7 for subtraction and addition. This first number represent what? We'll first find out this number on the number line. So here 7 we have find out there. This is 7. Then minus sign represents we will move towards left side of 7. Then this 2 represent how many jump we will take towards left side. So here we will take 2 jump, 1 jump, 2 jump, and 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. So our answer is also 5. Now the 6th is what? Represent 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3 on the number line. So for this also, now in multiplication, the first number represent what? First number represents length of unit. So as it is what? 3. So we will take what? 3 units. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This first number represent what? Length of the unit, and this represent what? How many times? So length of the unit is what? 3 times. So we will take 3 times. We'll jump 3 times, and the length of our jump will be what? 3 units. मतलब जब हम जंप करेंगे हम लोगों का जंप का लेंथ कितना होगा? 3 यूनिट्स होगा. और how many times we will jump? We will jump 3 times. So our first jump will be 3 units, right? One covering 3 units. So we have covered what? 3 units. 1. Then next 3 will be what? 1, 2, 3, right? 6. In second jump we will go to 6, and in third jump another 3 unit. What? 1, 2, 3. Then another jump will go in 9. So 3 into 3 is how much? 3 into 3 is also 9. So this is how we represent multiplication on the number line. So this is for today. In the next class we will understand the properties of addition and properties of subtraction.